Early morning at the Bird Refuge in Santa Barbara is very tranquil. The snowy egrets are some of the first residents awake. They fish from dead branches on the edge of the water and pay no attention to the cormorants and other birds nearby. About this time, the herons start getting active. They fish along the bank too. The ducks wake up as well. Their feeding behavior isn't very dignified, but they do have cute ducklings. Did you notice the dragonfly behind the ducks? The blue darner is very colorful. Grebes are as cute as a button. In fact, there are many different types of birds at the refuge.
Wait, I'm not a bird.
Oh, sorry. These black-necked stilts were feeding by the shore near deep water during midday, but in the evening you're more likely to find them in the shallow end with a bunch of ducks. They eat fish eggs, insect larvae, snails, and other invertebrates. This egret seems to think it's a race. I showed you egrets eating sand crabs in a previous video, but they also love to eat small fish. And there are tons of small fish in this estuary pond. Here, they are easy to see thanks to the magic of post-processing, but in real life, the birds need sharp eyes. It's amazing that there are so many fish, considering that the egrets eat them by the zillions every day. It's easy to see why Disney uses seagulls as comic sidekicks, because they look so goofy. This egret grabs your attention, but do you see the turtle going in the opposite direction? Or the heron in the reeds? Herons are very still 99% of the time, but when they strike, they move really fast. This one is a juvenile. And this one is an adult. The ducks enjoy the shallow water too. You can see ripples from many tiny fish swimming away from the duck. It's been a lovely day and a beautiful sunset at the Bird Refuge in Santa Barbara.